Hello, and thank you for joining me. My venture is called Rollybox. It is a packing and storage solution that incorporates a variety of technological and basic features to alleviate the hassles, frustrations, and anxiety associated with moving from home to home. The problem as defined is a simple one. The frustrations we have with moving our personal belongings from our old domicile to our new one. As the housing market continues to develop and change, millennials become an increasingly high proportion of first home and starter home sales. We can also associate millennials in the home marketplace with moving more frequently. Statistics show that the average length of occupancy for a millennial individual or small family is 5 years or less. This then begs the question, how are millennials moving their objects and belongings from place to place so frequently without incurring high amounts of loss, damage, theft, or simple acts of nature that damage their personal belongings? For me, this problem hit especially close to home because I have moved several times in the past 2 years. Each time, I experienced a great deal of stress, anxiety, and disorganization from having to organize, categorize, secure, ship, and unpack all my belongings. Clearly, there should be a better solution out there than simple plastic totes, cardboard boxes, and throwing them into the back of a van, car, or truck as best as your spatial awareness skills allow you to. That's where the Rollybox comes in. Ideally, we want a solution that's personalized, yet generalizable and scalable across the entire population. To that end, we introduced a hardware module that can be edited, customized, and co-created with our clients on a case-by-case basis and sold directly to them that they can then use to pack and ship their belongings, typically on a personal basis in their car, truck, trailer, whatever they have on hand. The idea here is that it's personalized to their specific use case. Perhaps they need only a small module to pack just a few very important things. Perhaps they need several large ones that they're going to put in a larger rental van. In either case, we're going to implement the assets necessary to deliver a customized solution for that customer. We really want to emphasize the need for efficiency of space and time when moving, which leads us to make a customized solution. Whereas an amalgamation of cardboard boxes from various sources or ill-fitting or mismatched sized totes, bags, boxes, and other ramshackle solutions lead to a more difficult time packing and storing personal belongings. Underpinning this entire idea is the assurance that the customer's belongings are going to be secure, safe, and monitored. We plan on executing that through the implementation of RFID devices affixed to either the bins and specific locations in the Rollybox unit or affixed directly to the customer's belongings. This, along with a web interface, will allow for real-time monitoring of where exactly a customer's belongings are, either in transit or at their eventual destination. Perhaps on moving day, the customer wishes to unpack a certain room or a certain set of objects first, rather than having to sift through the entire set of received materials. The customer knows exactly where and what is in each module. Ideally, without having to even look they can just refer to a simple app or web interface that'll allow them to have the necessary information on hand at all times. The competitive landscape is filled with many different types of solutions for transporting goods. In this sense, really anything that you can carry anything else in is a competitor to this product. However, the specific products that are going to be in direct competition with the Rollybox are those that are geared specifically toward moving and storage. Examples include Rubbermaid plastic totes and the various knockoffs of that entire sector of products. Cardboard boxes, which are just about the lowest tech competition you can have, and various other non-standard competition products, baskets, other types of storage bins, things of that nature. Because this product is going to be marketed as a moving and storage solution, it's conceivable that other companies that are in the moving business would position themselves as a competitor to this product. A notable example would be something like Pods, which offers a movable storage unit that the customer packs at their leisure. We plan on competing through our customizability and co-creation with our customers, as well as through the durability, ease of use, tracking features, and guarantees that your unit will fit exactly where you need it to when you need it. Additionally, we plan on this product being able to fill the role of a longer-term storage solution, say in a garage, shed, something of that nature, in a way that cardboard or plastic totes just cannot compete with. This is especially true considering that a current and consistently correct inventory list, a manifest if you will be kept for all of those items that remain in the unit for the duration of its use. The success of the Rollybox's business model will depend largely on its ability to generate revenue through transactional, rental, and perhaps licensing agreements across the entire moving industry. The largest challenge here is going to be finding the exact price necessary to deliver a high enough profit margin to make the venture a successful one, while also delivering a point of differentiation, competition at a premium price that indicates to customers its value. Partnerships will be the key to the venture's success, not only in terms of marketing and distribution, but also in terms of manufacturing, customer service and customer relations, and the ability to continue to develop new and increasingly interesting products in the same vein for our customers. Perhaps the biggest challenge that the Rollybox venture faces is its team. I'm currently the only member of the venture, and obviously its founder, and I'm uniquely qualified to deliver this product to market because both my professional and educational background in entrepreneurship and logistics. However, there are some key pieces that I feel that I'm missing that could be better complemented by individuals with engineering and financial and marketing backgrounds. Despite that, I feel that I'm the best person to head this venture because I am passionate about the solution that I've developed, and I truly believe that there's a better way for individuals to pack, secure their belongings in a way that gives them peace of mind and the ability to continue to enjoy the process and excitement of moving without the anxiousness and pain points that are commonly associated with it. Because the venture is still pre-revenue, no valuable confidence data exists to indicate what our potential revenue stream would look like starting off and how that would progress. However, targets and projections indicate that it's prudent to shoot for a break-even point at the 2-year mark or less. Based on the growing trend in the market of home ownership and the emphasis that younger generations place on home ownership being indicative of success and the American dream, if you will, the need for this product will continue to rise as the economy continues to grow. I am confident that with proper management, our potential revenues and scalability would continue to increase along with population. Current roadmap and milestones are to continue planning customer discovery and hypothesis validation to deliver the best possible features and product to indicate a minimum viable product that can be brought to market quickly and efficiently in a way that showcases the brand and the idea that we are trying to present. The primary milestone at this point is incorporating these features into a single unified prototype and continuing to test that design. If everything goes as planned with several road bumps, the potential go-to-market launch could occur within the next year to 18 months. We are currently seeking $500,000 to prototype our initial design, secure intellectual property rights, manufacturing partnerships, marketing strategy, and assemble the tools and team that we need to ensure our future success. Because of the target customer for our product, it is important to note that corporate social responsibility and an emphasis on creating jobs at home will be incredibly important in marketing the company's image and its overall success. The venture is at a critical stage in its life cycle, and the next weeks and months will determine how it is led to market and how customers ultimately respond to the solution we present to these common pain points that we are trying to address. The key here, as with any venture, is to listen to customers and provide them with concrete gains that impact their daily life in a way that's both positive and reflects well on the venture and generates positive word of mouth. I have every reason to believe that given the passion, determination, and drive behind this project, it can scale and grow to a multi-million-dollar nationwide business. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to addressing any questions you may have.